Hey guys, Jeremy at Speedwerx. Today we're going to talk about the Stage 1 Exterminator Kit for the 2020 and newer Arctic 800 models. This kit comes with everything you see behind me. The meat and potatoes of it is our Fat Daddy single pipe. Single pipe comes ceramic coated. Comes with our black Y pipes. You can upgrade to a ceramic coated Y pipe if you would like. All of the tuning with the fuel programming, the ignition timing, everything else is done in our ECU Flash. Comes with our Hypershift Clutch Kit, which comes with our, we machine these weights in-house. We've been doing it now for, 15 years. These are a fully adjustable weight. 99% of the time, you're not going to have to do anything like that. The setup that we send you is going to be something you bolt in and go, and she's going to be 99% dialed in. Comes with one of our lightweight helixes. These are the lightest helixes on the market. We do use compound radius angles in a vast majority of our kits. And then our H5 alloy springs. Those springs come with a 5-year warranty against the spring breaking and sacking out more than 5% of its initial rate. On the intake side of things, we do some frog skin venting on the airbox itself. This is not only letting more air in, it's getting some cold air in, which is going to lower those intake temps and in turn give us some free horsepower. Another thing we do to help cool things down is our side panel venting kit. We use a really high-grade stainless steel wire mesh that goes on there in place of the hole that we made. And then we have a black anodized aluminum frame that goes over it. And this, again, is just to help reduce those underhood temperatures. It helps keep the clutches happier, the belt happier, cools the intake temps down. Just makes everything happier. Our exhaust valve go, no-go gauge. We send this out with all of our Exterminator kits. This is just a simple way for everybody to check their exhaust valve cable lengths on these C-TEC engines on the 600s and the 800s. It's very important that those cables are set properly, because if the cable gets off a little bit, it can dramatically affect the tuning on the machine and create little hesitations, bogs, just little quirky stuff like that. So having those cables set right is a very big deal. So that sums up everything in the kit. This package will give you 12 to 13 horsepower gain over stock. And then if you combine it with our lightweight muffler options, you can drop an additional 13.3 to 18 pounds from stock. So 12 to 13 horsepower gain and 13.3 to 18 pounds of weight savings available with the Speedwerx Stage 1 Exterminator Kit for the 2020 and newer Arctic 800 model.